Hello ladies and gentlemen, sisters and brothers, welcome to another perfume review video. Today I have a very exciting unboxing and first impression video, and this one is, I have been waiting for it for a while and I'm very excited, and I know many of you would be interested in this because this one is the new Rochas Moustache. This is the new version. The original version came out in something like 1950s, so it's a very old fragrance, but this one is the new version. Basically they completely overdone it, or at least as far as I hear, this is nothing to do with the original one. This one is completely new composition. It's a different genre, different category of fragrance, and let's see how it is. Many people would say this one, including Max 40, which I saw the video the other day. By the way, I had this one many weeks and I was sitting on it. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, it happens, you know, sometimes you buy too many fragrances and you don't have time to review it in time, and somebody else will come and review it first. It doesn't matter. The important thing is the information we give to you know, our subscribers and people who watch us. And this one is Rochas Moustache Eau de Perfume, 120 ml. I paid less than £50 for this. You can, in Europe, you can find it for a very good discount. The retail is about £100. But as you know, I never pay retail. I always do my research, and also be patient. Okay, if you are patient and you do your research, almost always you get what basically you want. So let's do this without any further ado. So as you can see, very cute box. Look at that, gorgeous box. Moustache, Rochas, Paris, Eau de Perfume, 125 ml. Wow, the bottle is gorgeous. Okay, look at the bottle, it's gorgeous. Very cute. Super heavy bottle, wow. It's like a half a kilo of bottle, okay? The cap, again, very heavy metal cap with details of Rochas on top. It just says Rochas, okay? Very heavy. And the Atomizer is gorgeous. It's like a grey color, and let's see how he smells. Clean hand, let's go. How is the sprayer? Very good sprayer, perfect. So in terms of presentation, in terms of bottle, in terms of cap, in terms of atomizer, everything is gorgeous. Wow, it's very strong. I can smell it already. Okay, so how does it smell? Moustache by Rochas. This is Eau de Perfume version, and this is a new version. I think it came out 2017 or 2018, either one. Okay. Wow, gorgeous, beautiful. So first thing it hits you is the sweetness. So it's quite a sweet fragrance, okay? I can smell hay for some reason. Maybe it's my nose, I don't know. I smell a bit of hay. Honey, it smells like honey, but it's gorgeous, beautiful. This one, people say is very close to YSL Tuxedo. So that one is for 100 ml or 75 ml. 75 ml retails £250, and this one, as I said, 125 ml EDP, and I paid less than £50 for it. Retail is about £100, but you can find it discounted in Europe especially. Wow, beautiful. It's very dressed up. It's a little bit on the mature side. I would say 25 and up is better for it. But it's dressed up, it's formal, it's quite sensual, it's quite sexy. Wow, but it's gorgeous. I can smell a little bit of herbalness as well. So it's hay, herbal, honey. I know it's got vanilla in the base. So wow, beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous. I would give it easy 10 out of 10. Easy. This is quality to the max. Okay. Wow, very, very nice. I absolutely love the beginning, at least the beginning of it, but it should develop better and better. So the big when it opens up very, very smooth. It's very, very quality. You can smell the quality. So it doesn't smell cheap. It doesn't smell alcoholic. It doesn't smell rough. None of those. So it's very smooth. It's very well put together. It's very good quality. So you can smell the quality. Okay. Wow, wow, wow. The only thing is, it reminds me of something else. I never smelled Tuxedo from YSL myself, but it reminds me of something else which I can't think of at the moment. But it is familiar. So it's done before. It's nothing unique, but it's done to perfection. Basically, they done the perfumer and the people put it together. They done it in a very, very good way. Okay. Wow, it reminds me of something. God, what is it? Anyway, so basically opens up citrusy, but the citrus is not very big. It subsides very quickly. It's about 5-10 minutes, it goes away. Because I smelled a little bit of citrus in the beginning, but it's going away very quickly, okay? But what you mostly smell is the herbalness, hay smell. To me, it's a hay smell, and honey. I smell honey. Is that leather? Maybe a little bit leather in the base as well. But definitely vanilla as well in the base. But as I said, it's very, very smooth. Okay, smooth, it's well blended, it's very good quality. So these things are the things that it hits you first. Okay, so guys, this is for us first impression. I hope that was informative. As I said, age 25 and up to be on the safe side, because it got a little bit on the mature side. It's a bit complex, so I wouldn't think this is a simple fragrance for basically youngsters. In terms of where you can wear this is quite a formal wearing, and so it's a special occasion. In terms of season, I would say cooler season is better for it because of that vanilla, honey, hay. It gives it a bit of basically wintry feel to it. Okay. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous. Okay, guys. So that was the first impression. Thank you very much for watching. If you have it, if you know it, let me know. And I'll see you in the next episode. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. And I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.